I am Chef Ricardo Zarate, the Godfather of Peruvian Cuisine. And today I'm cooking mushroom quinotto. My mother used to tell me all the time, puedes ser pobre, pero no sucio. No, la pobreza no significa ser sucio. That means, you can be poor but not dirty. I realized that was something very deep. They went deep in me, in everything. That way, when I open my eyes sometimes and I realize what I achieved in my career, sometimes I don't believe it. We grew up in a very popular area in Peru, and it was dangerous. It was very hard to succeed. We were not that privileged. My father had to work really hard. My mother had to work very hard to put just a dish on the table. She was taking care of 13 of us. She was a magician. Everything that she will make, the way she dedicated to make it, even if it was small and we were gonna share, it was so beautiful and so tasty, that until now I cannot erase it from my memory. That flavor is in me. My memory is waking up in the morning and seeing her cooking at 5 o'clock. I wake up smelling food already. So I will go and say, can I help you? I wanted to be that, I wanted to cook. I start cooking, then finally they allow me to cook in the house. So I was so excited. So that was kind of like the best moment of my life because I was lucky to have the acknowledgement in that moment, to the appreciation from my family. One of the most memorable dishes from my mom. Quinoa. I grew up eating quinoa. I create this concept, I call it quinotto because it's inspired on a risotto. To make the quinoa, obviously you need to have pre-cooked quinoa. Then I make a mushroom stock. The way I do it, I do dry shiitake mushroom, a little kombu, soy sauce. We put some onions, carrots, we reduce it, and that's my mushroom stock. Creme fraiche to give a little creaminess. Then we do a bunch of mixed mushrooms. Chimenju mushroom, trumpet mushroom, we use the eringi mushrooms, all these Asian mushrooms that I love. We'll put it together, we'll mix it. The base of this dish is the salsa madre. That's a Peruvian base which I created for me, which is chopped onions, garlic, bay leaf, a little bit of, chili, and you made your base and then you start cooking in there. Put the mushroom stock, put the quinoa, cook it. A little bit of black truffle oil for the essence. Put it on top, little cheese and fresh truffles in there. Eat it, enjoy it, and have fun. Los Balcones Studio City is basically, I call it mestizo cuisine. In my country, mestizo is the mix of the indigenous with the Spanish. I wanted to elevate it. In here, we're doing gnocchis, we're doing pasta. In here, in Balcones, we bring a little bit of everything with Californian touches too, using the freshest ingredients in here. For me, food brings people together, and I think it's important to practice that more. Very privileged to grow up in a family where we could sit down together and eat. Everybody together, because it's a moment that you can have a conversation, you can talk, you can enjoy, but it's not only about the food, you can pass knowledge in there, so that's something very important.